Hello there. My name is Tales of Grim and welcome back to Delusion. Now it's been a little bit, but we're back at it and we're going to continue pretty well where we left off. So last time we died in a church, and I don't know if we were meant to die, if we just didn't do it quick enough. But that's essentially where we're up to. We were killed by some kind of big tree monster. I think it's the one from the image. We press continue. Hey, top. Scene 6, Assembly Hall. Fairy tales have been read to me as a child, but I don't remember any such thing happening in any of them. If at first I hoped that all this was just a bad dream, and that I would soon wake up in my bed, now I don't understand what is real and what is not. Meanwhile, I only lasted a couple of hours, and it's still a very long time until dawn. Yeah, here we are. And I think I commented that I should play Until Dawn, but I'd have to get like a PS2, 3, 4. I have no clue actually, and I've never owned a PS. So, is it time? No. Hey, it's time. Okay, yeah, there was a letter over here, so let's go grab that. I don't know if I really need to grab it every time, but I might as well. Yeah, it just talks about this monster. It's just September 21st. This day will forever remain the date of the most terrible tragedy. The horror of this day lies not only in the large number of victims, but also in the inexplicable circumstances of the incident. At 11 o'clock in the morning, screams began to be heard coming from school number 401. The fire alarm was activated. Children and teachers began to leave, but not everyone was able to escape in time. Emergency services arrived quickly at the scene and extinguished the fire. It turns out the fire may not be the only cause of death. Interrogation of eyewitnesses revealed there seems to be more going on within the school at the time. Children and teachers have reported strange creatures coming out of nowhere, grabbing people and dragging them away into an unknown direction. Yes. And that creature must be either this creature outside, wherever he's standing, or it would be, yeah, this guy. Yep. Oh my goodness. What? There he is. I don't think I made it. I think he saw me. Yep. Hello. Yep, I'm dead. Yep. Hello. You got a bit of a showering gun thing on. QE, push. What? Okay. I don't know how that works. Assembly hall, I've got to redo the same thing. Say loading, building this. I've got to redo it again. So what did I do wrong? Like, do I need? It said push E and Q. I don't know if I need to keep pressing them or what I need to do. Alarm, please. I assume he's going to get you no matter what. It's teaching you the mechanics. Yeah, it's still there. I'm not going to go read it again. Okay. We go up here. Good eye. Come on. Hello there. Okay. Q&A. Q&A. Come on, get me. You got me. Should I let go? Hey. Oh, my hand just... I don't know if that was the most effective method, but let's go. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, what the hell was that? Oh. Are they fighting? So is that guy protecting me? Let's just run. Don't like just grab me as I'm running through here, will you? Oh my goodness, okay. Scene 7. A lot of noise, but little sense. Quickly turn off objects that have gone mad. Otherwise, the leashy will enter the house and wander. If the leashy does come in, it will leave after a certain time, as long as it doesn't detect you. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah, it was only one. Hide if you need to. For this purpose, chests and wardrobes are suitable. Make sure the leashy doesn't detect where you are hiding. Okay, so I gotta... Alright, let me see if I remember everything I gotta do. I gotta survive for a minute. Like, no, I gotta survive for 5 minutes. And in those 5 minutes, I have to find toys to keep the oven fed. I have to not step on shoes. If I see a ball rolling around, I need to stand by a light, otherwise it will kill me. And now I need to hide from the leashy. Okay. Oh my goodness, okay, we're in. So let me light this up. Oh. I got a bunch of achievements just then. Oh, come on. I need to stay close. Anything else? Yes, matches. More matches. Hey, a toy. Okay, good. Oh, yes. Okay, we're doing pretty good so far, but... just don't come along. Oh, no. Bedroom. Nothing seems to have come alive yet. Sweet. Oh no, fire's out. Oh my goodness. There's a toy down there. Oh no, I can only hold this many toys. Whoever's the toy that came alive. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Toy. What? That wasn't you, was it? Oh, and I have no matches. Oh, crap. She's in the house. Oh, come on. I've only got, what, 30 more somethings to go, 31. And I got one doll. This is not looking too good for me. Oh my goodness, Leashy. Please leave me alone. Just leave me be. Oh my goodness. There's no way you saw where I went. You weren't in the room at all. Okay, good. He's like made of roots and rocks and things. Okay, if he leaves the house, I can still make this. I can still survive. I need to just find... oh, this stupid boulder. I need to find more dolls. The oven starts to worry. I'm worried too, but at least she's in the house. Come on. Don't put out my lights. Oh my goodness. Come on. Hiding seems like an actually worthwhile method though, because it doesn't seem like anything can kill you while you're hiding. So if you know the oven's not gonna attack you in that time period, then you actually have a good amount of time you can hide. Come on, Lishi. Lishi left the house. Okay, good. That's a shoe. Burn the doll. Matches. He's found me. No, get lost. No, I didn't want to hide. Okay. Okay. Feed the toy. Okay. Now, I actually think I can hide out. I'm gonna hide out. Okay. I only need to hide out for the tiniest bit. Come on. Just a little bit longer. Oh, come on. Come on, just a smidgen longer. Please. Come on, please, please. Please. I made it? Okay, yes, I made it. Third hour has passed. That was a little bit cheaty. It was a little bit cheaty to hide out, but to be fair, I made it. I made it, and in the future, it's going to get more difficult, so I'm going to have to utilize that method more. I saw how... Wait, lesson 6. I saw how a creature... And... What? I saw how a creature entered the house in front of me, and now it's wandering around here. It's howling, makes my blood run cold. It just wants to run and hide. I just want to run and hide. I remember as a child, I loved to hide in a chest. It was my personal fortress. There was no one who could harm me. It's good that even after so many years, I can hide in it. Okay. Well, it does seem like this entire thing is like childhood trauma. Like the toys coming alive and saving her, sort of, or like not even saving her, but like sacrificing her toys. Oh. Like the school, the monsters, based on fairy tales that she read as a kid. It seems like this entire thing is definitely childhood, like trauma. Okay. Classroom. Lesson 6. Sorry. Oh, okay. If you hear the roar of the ant symbol, you chase it away by ringing the bell in front of the window and its attempts to enter. Wait, okay. If you hear the roar of the ant symbol, you can chase it away by ringing the bell in front of the window that it's attempting to enter. Try to determine its location using the sound it makes. It's easier to do this with headphones, yeah. Be quick because you cannot hide once it enters. Oh. Okay, so... Fireplace, don't step on shoes, bowling ball, Groot, and now there's some kind of monster trying to enter my windows. Okay. Now there's Leanie Boog. Oh my goodness. Keep ringing the bells. Oh. Oh. Okay. I thought I needed to ring the bells. Scene 9. Old Bell Tower. The place drawn on that painting tool looks surprisingly familiar, as if I had been there before. I remember being there in a storm as well. Okay. Oh. Whoa, okay. Where am I? I know this place. It's an old bell tower near the orphanage. I used to hide here from other children. Thank you. Oh, hello? What am I looking at? The Tale of the Abyssal. Ansible. One day, a family. Let me just start over. This is just tragic. One day, a family went to the fair to earn money, and the son was left to look after the house. They told him, don't open the door for strangers, don't stay up until dark, and put ringing bells on the window at night, so that the evil spirits of the forest do not enter the house. The boy ignored the parental instructions and just went to bed. In the middle of the night, he heard that something was wandering around the house, scratching the walls, looking for the entrance to the house. Oh, they may be walking around the outside of the house, okay. The boy looked out the window and saw the ant symbol. The horns were huge, the mouth was toothy, the claws on the paws were like scythes. A strong bolt hung on the door so the ant symbol could not get through it, and decided to climb through the window. The boy was scared. He wanted to hide, but how can you hide from such a monster? He remembered what his parents told him, found the bells and rang. As soon as the monster climbed through the window, it heard a bell ringing, howled and fled into the forest. Honor and respect your parents, and listen carefully to their advice. Okay. But this is what I mean, like, it's like stories like fairy tales that they've heard as a kid. So I need to... Oh, good. Okay, not as much light as I wanted. Oh, it's so dark, I can't actually see. I'm at the top of the stairs, looks like it. It's pitch dark here. Thank you. I can't see any windows. Hello, are you the ant symbol? Well, I didn't see any bells, so that's kind of out of the question. Oh, what's happening? Oh, am I getting rained on? Am I going upstairs anymore? I don't know. It's so dark. Oh. Read. Diary of Belfry Keeper. For 20 years, I looked after the bell tower and rang the bell every morning, but now the piece of junk is a danger to others. The kids have gotten into the habit of climbing it without asking, so the doors have to be closed. When I closed the iron gate at the top, I dropped the key. Judging by the sound, it fell to the platform below. I won't search anymore. Besides, the bell will never ring again. It fell... No, I didn't mean to put out the light. Oh my goodness. It fell below? Oh my goodness. You're in the tower. What do I do about that? I can't go this way exactly. Hello. Hello. I'm dead. Alright, so that's the group one I saw in the image. Okay. The other one's just Varney goop. Okay. Okay, we'll get it. So I just need to get up the top. I'm assuming I can't grab the key till I get to the top and come back down. It also says the bell will never ring again. I don't know what that's about. Okay. Let's just go. I've rotted long ago. It'd be better to walk up them. Oh, so I can't actually sprint. I don't know, does that mean he's downstairs because the door wasn't locked? Oh, it does, he's in. I thought that was him outside here. That eye thing. I don't suppose I can grab that key? I can try at least. Damn, it hurt me. I need to be more careful. What did it hear? I can't even see anything. Okay. I was gonna go up. I'm pretty sure the key won't be there yet. I've got a bit of time. Yeah, I've got plenty of time. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of here and don't come back. Damn straight. I thought they said the bell wouldn't ring again. Huh. Who knows? Okay, so that's the monster, and you can't hide from it. But if it gets in the house, can you still ring the bell to get rid of it? Because that was the story, wasn't it? The kid was saying is like, the monster got into the house through the window, but they rang a bell and it climbed back out into the forest. Oh, you'll actually see it standing outside, okay. Scene 10, Evening Bells. If you hear the roar of the ant symbol, you can chase it away by ringing the bell in front of the window that is attempting to enter. Try to determine its location using the sound and makes... It's easy to do this with headset. Oh, it's a quote. Be careful, because you cannot hide once it enters. However, if there are no bells on the window, you will have to find them all at the beginning. If there are no bells on the window, you have to find them all at the beginning. Some houses have a lot of useful things in the attic. Okay, well I know how to get to the attic. Oh man. Okay, let's start by this. Get matches. Oh, there's a toy. Let's get right into it, okay. Take those. Take that. Okay, I'm just gonna have to be fast just going around. I'm not hearing anything else just yet, so I wonder... Okay, never mind. Sweet toy. Okay. Yeah, nothing. I can go back out here. There's a noisy object in this room. Sweet. I need to find the bells in the attic. Okay, come on. The attic's over here. Bells in the attic. Take these bells. I know, should I just head back down now? Attic doesn't... Oh, there's multiple sets of bells up here. Okay. Now I've got to search around. Oh, no matches. Oh, matches. Come on, more bells. Oh, a book. Now, according to the results of our psychological tests and brain scans, the patient is in sound mental health and completely healthy. If it were not for the incident at school 401, I would declare a safe It's safe to stop researching and focus more on the child's imagination. However, the testimonies of numerous children and teachers, coupled with evidence of the destruction, leave no doubt that we are witnessing an interesting phenomenon. There is a theory formulating that when Lena is stressed, she unconsciously releases creatures into our world. More research is to be done. Because we're Lena. Okay, so maybe there's more to our mental state than just like psychosis. Like our mind is literally creating creatures. Like these aren't fairy tales anymore. Like they're coming to life because of our unstable mental state. Okay, but I wonder if that's like, oh no, I don't want to hide it. Bells. Okay, no bell, no light. Oh, matches. Thank goodness. Okay, bells. Where does that one go? I haven't seen that one before. No. Okay. So at the beginning of every turn I'll need to come up here and get bells, or is this going to be a one-off thing? 6 out of 8 bells, okay. 7 bells. Oh, he's near. No more. Okay, come on, bells. Oh. Okay, can I go back downstairs now? Scanning object. Turn off. Oh, and the oven is like about to go off. I have no idea. Oh. Pistol is in, can't hide. Okay, well I'm dead. Might as well just sit and die. That didn't happen. You didn't see my hands. I didn't... Shut up. Okay. I know what it is I need to do now. I know what it is I need to do now, but I'm not going to do it in this episode. So I'm going to end this one here, and I'm going to get back into it with... Next episode, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to record it, and we're going to beat this. We're going to beat the Abyssal, and we're going to move on to whatever's next. Hopefully the final thing. Because this is night 4, isn't it? So there's only one night left. Oh my goodness. Why did that actually get me? I knew he was coming for me. Why did it get me? Oh, failure. Either way, my name is Tales of Grim, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. I'm really enjoying it, actually. I love this game. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. See ya.